The topic of today's video is how does Webull margin work? So margin trading involves borrowing money from Webull to purchase securities using your existing assets as collateral. This strategy can magnify both gains and losses, making it essential to understand the mechanics and risks involved. So the key features of Webull's margin accounts are leverage. Webull offers up to 4x day trade buying power and 2x overnight buying power. For instance, with $3,000 in your account, you can access up to $12,000 for day trades and $6,000 for overnight positions. Next up, we have minimum equity requirements. A minimum of $2,000 in cash or marginable securities is required to open and maintain a margin account. Next, we have short selling, which eligible securities can be shortened, allowing you to profit from declining stock prices. Next, we have options trading. So margin accounts support various option strategies, including spreads, provided you meet the necessary requirements. Now, accounts with $25,000 or more are exempt from the PDT rule, permitting unlimited day trades. Accounts below this threshold are limited to 3 day trades within a rolling 5 business day period. Now, Webull charges interest on borrowed funds, with rates varying based on the margin balance. As of now, the standard margin interest rate is approximately 8.74% for balances up to $25,000. Rates decrease for higher balances and for Webull premium subscribers. Now, there are some risks and considerations, so if your account equity falls below the required maintenance margin, Webull may issue a margin call requiring you to deposit additional funds or securities. Failure to meet a margin call can result in Webull selling your securities without prior notice to cover the shortfall. While leverage can increase profits, it also magnifies losses, potentially exceeding your initial investment. Another thing to consider is interest charges. Borrowed funds accrue interest daily, which can add up, especially if positions are held long term. So margin trading is best suited for experienced investors who understand the associated risks and have a solid risk management strategy. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.